Alihan Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.
Hello there, my awesome friends. Welcome to our fun-filled adventure where we're going to learn about the fascinating world of farm animals. Today, we're going to meet some incredible farm animals and discover some super cool facts about them. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Our first friend is the friendly cow. Moo! Did you know that cows live on a farm called a barn? They munch on grass and hay, and their babies are called calves. And here's a funny fact: cows love belly rubs. Next up, we have the speedy horse. These majestic creatures live in a stable, eat delicious hay and grass, and their babies are called foals. Did you know that horses have bigger eyes than any other land animal? Now, let's meet the lovely sheep. They love grazing on green grass. Their babies are called lambs, and did you know that sheep have an excellent sense of smell? They even have scent glands in front of their eyes and on their feet. Woohoo! It's time to meet the clucky chickens. Scientists have found that hens are distant relatives of the T-Rex dinosaur. They live in a coop and love pecking at grains and worms. Their babies are called chicks. Did you know that hens talk to their chicks while they're inside their eggs? Hello there, fluffy bunny. Rabbits live in a hutch and nibble on fresh veggies. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing. Instead, they're gradually worn down as the rabbit chews on grasses, wildflowers, and vegetables, meaning they never get too long. Here's a fun fact. Rabbits perform an athletic leap, known as a binky, when they're happy, performing twists and kicks in midair. Now, let's meet the chirpy ducks. Ducks live near a pond and love splashing in the water. Their babies are called ducklings. Did you know that ducks can swim and dive underwater? They're like little Olympic swimmers. Hey, look at that cute goat. Goats live in a pen and enjoy munching on grass and leaves. Their babies are called kids. Here's something amazing about goats: they can climb really high. They're the rock climbers of the animal world. Woof woof! Say hello to the playful doggy. Dogs are special animals. They enjoy playing fetch. Their babies are called puppies, and did you know that dogs have an amazing sense of smell? They can sniff out things that we can't even imagine. Look who's here! It's the mighty buffalo. Buffaloes live on farms and in grassy fields. They graze on delicious grass and hay. Their babies are called calves. Here's an interesting fact: a buffalo's weight is the same as that of your car. Gobble gobble. It's the colorful turkey. Turkeys roam around on farms and eat seeds, berries, and insects. Their babies are called poults. Did you know that turkeys make a variety of different sounds, including purrs, yelps, and kee-kees? You can tell a turkey's emotions by the color of their heads. Colors can change from red to blue to white, depending on how excited or calm they are. Honk honk! The friendly goose has arrived. They love munching on grass and insects. Their babies are called goslings. Did you know that geese are excellent navigators? They can fly in a V formation and travel long distances. Now, let's meet the hardworking donkey. They eat hay, grass, and even thorny plants. Their babies are called foals, just like horses. Here's an interesting fact: donkeys have incredibly strong legs and can carry heavy loads. They're like the superheroes of the farm. Last but not least, say hello to the proud rooster. Roosters live in the coop with the chickens and greet everyone with their early morning crowing. Did you know that roosters can tell the time? They know exactly when it's time to wake up. Now, my awesome friends, let's talk about why these farm animals are so important to farmers. Farm animals provide us with yummy milk, eggs, meat, and even wool. Isn't that incredible? That brings us to the end of our fantastic farm animal adventure. I hope you had a blast learning about these incredible creatures. Remember, they're not just animals, they're our farmyard buddies. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time, my awesome friends. Stay curious and keep exploring. Bye-bye.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ali and Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.